Hi, today we're talking about how to hide the Blink Mini in the Conceal-a-Cam frame. You might have a lot of different reasons why you're looking to hide your home security camera. Maybe you just don't like the way it looks sitting out. Maybe you've got a caregiver coming to your house to care for elderly or children, or maybe you just don't want anybody messing with the camera if they're in there for the wrong reason. So for that reason, there's a lot of different options you can use to hide a camera. You can put it in a stuffed animal, hide it in a plant, maybe just get it out of eye level. At Conceal-a-Cam, we think we came up with a better approach, and that's what we're here to talk about today, and how to install your Blink Mini camera within the frame. Okay, so once you unpack the Conceal-a-Cam, one of the first things you'll notice is that when you look at the film, you might think, hey, that's not completely opaque. I can kind of see through that film. Not to worry. One of the important things to understand about the one-way film is that in order for it to become completely opaque, the box has got to be light tight. So that means no light can be coming through either end. That'll happen just as soon as you install the photograph in the back is replaced. So first thing you have to do then is to select your photo, and a 4x4 photo works best. That gives about a eighth of an inch, quarter to an eighth of an inch overlap on all the sides. So go ahead and install that right out over the opening. The next thing you're going to want to do is install the blocking card. So that will be come in the kit as well. This is helpful if you're in a brighter lit room, maybe with a lot of ambient light. So you want to use that just to go right over the entire camera, of course, putting the cutout right over the lens. So ultimately you end up with something like this. You'll have an adhesive already mounted in the frame, so that's for mounting the camera. Just press it up against the top and then firmly push it up against that adhesive, and you'll see that's not going to go anywhere once it's installed. The last step then, of course, in setting up the camera within the frame is just placing the cord through the little cutout on the bottom, and at that point you're ready to go. Now there's just a few more setup steps, but at that point you've got your camera completely mounted in there, and as you can see, nobody's going to be seeing that camera as it shoots as it normally would through the one-way film. So our last step is going to be to turn off the infrared lighting. So you want to, under your settings, you want to click More, and then click on Device Settings, and then under that you want to click Video and Photo Settings. Scroll down, you'll see a setting there for the IR settings. You'll want to turn that to off and close that, and then you want to save those settings. By turning off the infrared settings, you're going to reduce any infrared light that's going to bounce off the glass and avoid any type of glare. So there you see the final, what it looks like shooting through that one-way film. That's a live shot through this Conceal-a-Cam, and we appreciate you taking a look at this video. Thank you.